All of our structured water generators operate from the same principles. We pride ourselves in the study of nature and its simple beauty. Our handheld portable devices will be used in our explanation of how our device works. To generate structured water. Natural action devices utilize a series of tuned resonant chambers. The chambers are comprised of special materials which are within the flow form. Through the materials and geometry, the tuned form induces a double vortex in the water as it approaches, enters, and leaves the device. As the water moves through the chambers, a series of subtle impulses occur, which induce temperature and pressure fluctuations within the water. When combined with the double vortex motion, self-organization within the water occurs. We will use the process of magnetism to show how structured water is made. The iron bar has individual particles which represent tiny little magnets. As we align the iron bar to the Earth's magnetic poles and tap it, the particles begin to organize and align. Another example is transfer of field effect. We can take a piece of magnetic iron and through relative motion can transfer organization from one piece of iron to another. The Earth has a magnetic field and is primarily composed of water. The Earth moves and rotates on its axis while in orbit around the Sun and has an iron core. This organization is transferred from one object to another, from the Sun to the Earth to iron and water through quantum and electromagnetic properties. Our flow form causes the water to spin 360 degrees simultaneously, creating the double vortex which creates an energetic field in and around the water. The health of a biological cell is largely related to the level of structuring within the water. A healthy cell is comprised of 90% water. A dying cell has less water with a weak field, and a healthy cell has a strong field. This is primarily due to the level of organization of the molecules in the water within the cells. The GDV is a device used to measure the biofield. Water molecules, organic nutrient-rich particles, inorganic compounds and free radicals, aligned organized water molecules. As the water enters the device, it begins to impart motion and resonance to the water, both upstream and downstream of the device. This is where the water begins to organize and align within itself. Once the water is organized, we call it structured water. As the water becomes more organized, it begins to align elements and affect their structure. The water then separates itself into two functions, that which more efficiently delivers nutrients and carries unwanted elements away more effectively. As the water passes through the spheres, the water becomes structured. The double helix motion duplicates natural water flow in streams. It is the key component in the organization process which alters the water's properties. When water is structured, a type of biomagnetism occurs, which amplifies the field around each cluster and within the whole connected water body. When water or other fluids are passed through our generators, such as wine or juices, they smooth and soothe the taste and texture of the fluid. The water also has more available oxygen, increased hydration, and supports enhanced nutrient absorption. It also assists in helping remove unwanted compounds, radicals, and other elements, all while delivering increased bioenergetic properties. Natural action technologies. Join our water revolution.